Hello, hello. Let's see if this works again. Hey, it looks like. What's that say? I have no idea. Oh, there it is. Okay. Hello. Let's see who pops back on besides myself. And look, I can actually do what I'm supposed to do. Send this out some. If you are joining, I have a comment. Where do I see that? Oh, that's StreamYard. Okay, StreamYard. Make sure you say hello. Let me know you're there. We'll see if we get Tori back on and Kara. I don't know. I think Miss Kelly fell asleep. All right, I think we're ready to go and do this again. So, sorry, it takes me a minute to. New system. Takes me a minute to figure things out. So we will see what this does, because I don't know. Just in there. Live chat. Live chat. Live chat. Okay, we're good to go. I think. I need my glasses. All right, I found my transfer. It was not put away. So, we're just going to do some kitchen signs real quick on our double box frame. And we're going to make it quick and easy. Still not one of the, I mean, I got to do this, but I still have plenty of other projects I need to do. So if you hop on, make sure you say hello. Let me know you're out there. If you're returning, yes, I am back. I told you I'd be back. So we're just going to do both sides of this box frame real quick. Black, and we'll be using Bumblebee yellow on the other side. I don't know if Kelly's going to join us because I'm pretty sure she fell asleep. And I don't know about Kara or anybody else. I did send this out a couple places on Facebook. So if you are joining us, make sure you say hello. That's my chalk site. And I can also change it. Look. I can also change it to that. How cute. So So I think we're going to do that. Does that show? Yeah, that shows. Okay, there. That'll work. We'll just have that floating across the bottom for a little bit. So this is Chalk Couture. We're just taking one of our Chalk Couture transfers and our Chalk Couture paste. And I've already used this transfer before to do this. So it's got some staining on it. It's not a big deal. This is called One and Done. It's one transfer, one color, no layers, nothing. You just do the chalk one time, or the paste one time. Doesn't take much chalk. I'm really scraping it off now. And then you put your extra back in your jar. This jar's a little chunky. And then you peel your transfer up. Voila. Look, not even 5 minutes to do that sign. It will take me longer to clean this than it did to make the sign. Kitchen, self-serve, open 24 hours. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. So I'm going to let that dry for a second. I need to open my yellow, my Bumblebee. And it probably needs a good stirring because it is kind of like caviar. It's what I call caviar right now. And actually, I didn't even need to do this. I have yellow right here that I should use. Anyway, now that I've got this in here, I'm just going to stir it up. Because that's really all this paste needs, is just to be stirred up more and more water. So I already sprayed the water. Might as well stir it up. And it is not quite sleeting. It's not quite frozen rain. It's slush. It's too early for us to get that crap. And I checked the weather when I heard it because I was like, what the hell is that? Because it didn't sound like rain. We weren't supposed to get anything. And the weather app says possible snow flurries. I'm like, what the hell? This is Dallas. We do not like this weather. I have a craft show tomorrow. I do not like this weather. Don't want to drive in it. I mean, as long as it like melts and goes away, that's fine. But I didn't check the temperature, but it shouldn't be cold enough to stick. Doesn't matter. We don't like this weather. That's not us. All right, now that is going to go live by itself because last time it bubbled over. See, this is the yellow I need to use. It's funny. 2 complete color differences. Can you see that? The tip as opposed to like down here. They're both Bumblebee. One is the newer Creamy Dreamy paste, and one is old stock that I just opened not too long ago. So they're definitely a difference in color. It's fine. I just need a yellow. I don't really care which one. So if you are watching, make sure you say hello. Let me know you're out there. Hey Tori, I think you were gone when I was testing out the little giveaway feature that I have available now. It's pretty dang cool. All right, that's dry enough. I'm going to flip this because we're going to do the other side. Oh, and where I was going with the precipitation coming from the sky, I was planning on spraying my projects tonight because it was a chilly but clear night. It's not so clear now. It's like rainy or frozen crap coming down. Yes, my girl can downstairs. What? Oh, your girl came downstairs. Okay. Yeah, I can do like giveaways. Like this thing has a comment randomizer. This new StreamYard that I'm trying out. Now I'm going to leave that on there for a second because I want to do the black. I hear the stuff coming down from the sky outside. Not happy. Seriously, Texans don't like this. You can have the snow. I'm hoping it doesn't show up at all. Because I have a craft show tomorrow and I want people to come out and buy my stuff. I need them to buy my stuff because 2 weekends ago my car crapped out and I couldn't go to the 2-day show that I had already paid for and paid 2 days prepaid lunch for. And I lost all my booth fees and my possible sales from that weekend. That was sucky weekend. And I had car repairs. Yay, car repairs. $800 worth of car repairs. So, not exactly happy about that weekend. So I need to make up for it. I need people to come out and buy my stuff. And I just got paste all over myself. All right, so that, my friends, is how quick and easy making a two-sided sign is when you just basically do one and done. And I don't know why that, you know what, I'm going to let that dry. So yeah, so we have kitchen on this side, self-serve, open 24 hours. And then this one, which is still wet, is 4.5 stars, would eat here again. Quick and easy sign. Da, da, da. Done. I've been on for 15 minutes, well actually 14 and a half. The first 3 minutes, I was just randomly chatting to myself. Sign's done. I have other projects I should do. I can't spray them outside because it's wet. So I may or may not do another project off camera. And I'll probably take these with me and just spray them before the show starts, or get up and do that in the morning while I'm packing and getting dressed. So that is it. Like I said, quick and easy. Just did those. I'm going to go wash those transfers. And I will chat with y'all later. Thanks for watching. Let's pop this over here real quick. Ta-da. That's how you get my newsletter. Oh, that's a hashtag. Those are supposed to be quote marks, not hashtags. See, this is a problem. Those are supposed to be quote marks, not hashtags. There, fixed, done. Yay. All right. See y'all later. Thanks for watching, and send this out into Facebook land for me. Bye.